I'm Dr Jaqualyn Moore and I'm the Programme Lead for the Postgraduate Diploma in Nursing. The PG Dip was largely developed in response to what's an increasing need in terms of nurse education.
My name's Daniel Cullen. I'm studying the Postgraduate Diploma in Mental Health Nursing at King's. Prior to studying the PG Dip in Mental Health Nursing at King's, I actually studied English before going on to study my master's degree in critical methodologies at King's College London. It was actually during my master's degree at King's that I decided to do some volunteering work where I had the opportunity to work with adults with physical and mental health disabilities, which led me to want to become a nurse. My favourite part of the postgraduate diploma has definitely been clinical placements. I've had the opportunity to go work on a ward, but also to work in the community setting. I've worked in liaison, psychiatry. You meet a wide variety of people and you really make a difference. Following registration at the end of next year, I intend to complete King's MSc module option, which converts this PG Dip into the MSc. And following that, I intend to go into clinical practice. I would say that studying at King's is something that shouldn't be taken too lightly, in that it is a three-year course effectively crammed into 2 years.
The PG Dip is open to applicants who already hold a first degree, which could be in any subject, because we're interested in their graduateness. Applicants also need to have had some healthcare related experience.
My name's Sophie Hewitson and I'm studying the Postgraduate Diploma in Adult Nursing at King's College London. I did my first degree and that was in sociology. And following that I worked as a healthcare assistant, which is like a nursing assistant on the wards. I think what attracted me to the postgraduate diploma at King's was the fact that I did desperately want my nurse training, but I didn't really want to be stepped back down onto a level of education that was lower than my degree. The postgraduate enables me to do my nurse training whilst also stepping up onto that master's level. On my placement at the moment, I'm at St Mary's Hospital, which is in Imperial College Healthcare Trust, and I'm on a vascular surgery ward. To be a really good adult nurse, you've got to be caring, but to be caring under a really high pressure environment. I think you've got to actually be quite willing to keep yourself educated on subjects as well, because nursing is moving so much in the direction of using the evidence base at all times to improve patient safety, so you've got to quite enjoy learning.
My name's Penalver and I'm studying the Postgraduate Diploma in Children's Nursing at King's College London. I decided to do the postgrad course because, looking at the options, I could do the 3-year degree, but because I've already done a degree in psychology, the postgrad course just seemed a lot more fast-paced and really intense and exactly what I was looking for. My favourite part of the course so far has been the patients and their families. They make going to clinical practice worthwhile every single day.
Perfect! Well done!
You know that you're actually making a difference to their lives, and that's definitely the best part about it. The nurses are absolutely brilliant. They are so supportive and so encouraging because they know that at some stage they were in our position.
Whatever clinical area a student is placed in, they will always work with qualified nurses, and they will have a mentor on that ward or in that clinic who will guide their clinical learning. Anyone interested in studying a postgraduate diploma in nursing should consider King's as one of their priority choices. It's a great institution with a long history.
It is a very supportive environment that we go into, and you know, the lecturers at King's, they do want us to succeed and they do everything within their power to make sure that they support us through this.
Studying children's nursing at King's is hard work. It's a really intense course and you've got to be prepared for the workload you're going to get, and you've got to be completely dedicated.
Studying at King's is challenging, but it's also extremely rewarding and I just absolutely love it.